This video has been produced using evidence gathered and analysed during the course of the investigation. The flight path animation is for illustrative purposes only and should not be used for further analysis. The Australian Transport Safety Bureau has published a preliminary report into the mid-air collision over Port Phillip Bay involving two Marchetti S-211s operated by Jetworks Aviation, which occurred on the 19th of November 2023. Prior to the commencement of the flight, both crews conducted a briefing of the planned manoeuvres. The first manoeuvre would involve Viper 1 flying inverted, straight and level, while Viper 2, flying upright, moved to the right line abreast position for the purposes of filming. From that position, Viper 2 would move as required for the filming while maintaining separation from Viper 1. The crews planned to conduct this manoeuvre with Viper 2 starting in the right echelon position before moving clear to allow Viper 1 with sufficient room to climb slightly and roll inverted. After Viper 1 rolled inverted, Viper 2 was to move forward and climb or descend as needed to reach the line abreast position at the same altitude. During an attempt of the manoeuvre, the safety pilot in the rear seat of Viper 1 observed Viper 2 pass beneath and alerted Viper 1's pilot to the manoeuvre. After rolling upright, the pilot of Viper 1 contacted the pilot of Viper 2 to discuss the manoeuvre, who advised that passing underneath provided a better filming opportunity and requested to repeat the manoeuvre. After discussing the manoeuvre, the pilots decided to attempt the previous manoeuvre again. Viper 2 moved clear to allow Viper 1 to climb slightly and roll inverted. Before Viper 1 stabilised in the inverted attitude, Viper 2 began manoeuvring to pass beneath Viper 1. Viper 1 was then stabilised in the inverted attitude as Viper 2 approached, with the vertical separation between the two aircraft reducing. Viper 2 passed beneath and began to pitch up and bank away from Viper 1. As Viper 2 climbed and banked left, the right wings of each aircraft collided. After the collision with the right wing severely damaged, Viper 2 rolled to an inverted attitude and quickly assumed a near vertical, nose-down flight path toward the water, commencing a slow right roll until impacting the water at high speed. Both occupants were fatally injured. You can read the preliminary report on the ATSB's website by searching AO-2023-057 or from the link in the description below.